Get out! Get out! Hello everybody, Swarm King back today. The snowpocalypse is over for now. I'm out here just gonna do a walk around and see how buried my bees are. As you can see, I haven't walked out there yet. There's no footprints yet. I shoveled this so you can see how much we got. I don't know, a little less than a foot. These bees are pretty buried, but they do have a top entrance. Stupid chicken, god damn. Okay, this one here is buried also, but they got a top entrance. It's warming up. I think these bees are going to be flying soon. Oh, that one. Look at that one. Totally buried. They got a little hole up top. This one here only has a really small top entrance, so I'm going to go ahead and scoot the snow away from the front here a little bit so they can get out. That's a little better. A little bit should melt and run out. The tree bees have their hole completely covered up. Look at that. Looks like they got a little gap there on the side. Let's see if we can get this out of the way. I think they have a way out at the top. I think there's a little gap under the lid if they really wanted to get out. Right under there. I guess I don't have to worry about this one getting covered up with snow. Let me go in and take a closer look at it. Yep, they look nice and dry, pretty well protected. They're getting the sun right on them. This is a good spot. I'm liking this spot right here. Swarm King likes this spot. Man, their bottom entrance is totally blocked. But this setup is like Swiss cheese. It got holes everywhere. In the corners, there's one at the top. There's some on the other side. So I ain't even gonna worry about that at all. Same with that one.